Airwallex or Novo, two leading business banking platforms. But which one truly fuels your financial growth? On one side, Airwallex, borderless business banking built for global growth. On the other, Novo, the digital-first choice for freelancers and small businesses. Let's look past the marketing tags and see how they really stack up. We'll break it down by category, score each side, and reveal who wins where. And trust me, the results might just surprise you. All right, here's the lay of the land. Let's map out what actually matters when you're choosing between Airwallex and Novo. We're talking about fees and pricing, global reach and multi-currency, cards and ATMs, integrations and tools, speed and access, and finally, target audience. So yeah, a pretty thorough test drive coming up. First up, fees and pricing. Okay, so with Airwallex, there are no monthly fees and super low foreign exchange fees, which if you deal internationally, that's a win right there. Also, you get free instant transfers between Airwallex accounts. But here's the thing, you can't access ATMs or deposit cash, and don't expect any interest on your balance. Moving to Novo. Again, no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. So that's already super chill for startups and freelancers. A nice touch, they refund ATM fees up to $7 a month and don't charge foreign transaction fees. Same quirks though. You can't deposit cash and balances don't earn interest. Oh, and there's some mixed info about what currencies they actually support. So both keep things affordable, but lack in the cash and interest department. Honestly, it's a tie here. Now, global reach and multi-currency. This is where things get juicy. Airwallex really flexes its global muscles. You can hold and send over 50 currencies, open local accounts in 10+ markets, and do global transfers to more than 150 countries. And did I mention their FX rates are pretty much interbank? That's wild, right? Just note, they work via a partner bank model. They aren't technically a full bank. Novo, on the other hand, is kind of underwhelming here. Incoming international wires are free, which is a nice bonus, and they partner with Wise for outgoing wires. But your base account is USD only, no native multi-currency support, and international money has to go through a third party. So if crossing borders is your thing, Airwallex definitely takes the win here. All right, let's talk cards and ATMs. Airwallex doesn't offer physical cards at all. Yeah, I know, kind of a letdown. You can get virtual cards, which are fine for online stuff, but if you want to grab cash or swipe in person, nope. Novo though? Oh, and here's something cool. You get free physical and virtual debit cards. Plus those ATM fee refunds we chatted about? Yep, up to $7 a month. You can use the card internationally too, which is super handy. Novo really nails this category. No contest. Quick pause. Did you actually know this? Novo is FDIC insured via Middlesex Federal Savings, which covers your U.S. deposits up to the legal limit. Airwallex, on the other hand, uses a partner bank model for safeguarding funds. So if peace of mind is on your checklist, that's something worth noting. Integrations and tools time. Airwallex lets you plug into QuickBooks, Xero, Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, and you get API access and some nice automated workflow features. The catch? Fewer old-school banking extras. Novo's got a killer app playground. Stripe, QuickBooks, Xero, Slack, PayPal. It also helps with invoicing, bill pay, set aside reserves for taxes, and gives you cash flow insights. The only meh detail, no lending yet. Both are pretty stacked with integrations, so honestly, I'd call this one a tie. Next round, speed and access. With Airwallex, transfers between Airwallex accounts are instant, which is impressive. And over 90% of global transfers arrive same day. Only downside, no same-day ACH for domestic US payments. Novo's got something called Novo Boost for faster payouts, and Express ACH for same-day domestic transfers. Plus, live customer support is always a bonus. Outgoing international wires, though, aren't instant. So for super fast global moves, Airwallex does a better job. Winner, Airwallex. Last category, target audience. Airwallex is clearly built for startups, scale-ups, and global teams. Basically, anyone who needs cross-border money magic. If you're a small US-only business, it might feel a bit extra. Now, Novo is pretty much the poster child for freelancers and solo entrepreneurs, especially those running US-centric online-first hustles. It's not ideal if you're doing complex international financial wizardry. Novo's super approachable for solo operators and smaller shops, so it slides ahead on this one. Let's flash up our trusty score radar. Airwallex spikes in global reach, speed, and multi-currency, while Novo absolutely dominates in the cards and ATM game. Plus, it's super friendly for the US-based crowd. The other stuff, pretty evenly matched. So, wrapping it up, Airwallex, honestly, this is the toolkit. If your business is global, you're moving money everywhere, and you want no-nonsense, multi-currency magic. Novo's the clear go-to for US freelancers and small businesses craving easy, fee-free checking, ATM perks, and slick app integrations. Pick your path, borderless payments, or good old home turf excellence. Hey, if this breakdown helped you get closer to a decision, bookmark it for later. Seriously, saves you the headache next time you need to switch things up with your business banking.